Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. This is not going to be a tech video. This is going to be mostly a video update of my status in quarantine, self-isolation, staying at home as much as possible, and only going out, of course, when I really needed to. So, um, yeah. So what I have been doing lately mostly is just watching a lot of TikTok videos, like a lot. Like sometimes I spend 1 or 2 hours a day just watching TikTok videos, but also creating TikTok videos. So I'm still creating stuff, not as much on the channel right now, of course, but also on I've been creating a lot on TikTok. So if you haven't followed me on TikTok, I highly recommend you guys could follow me there. If you guys want to just have a laugh or anything like that, that's what I like about TikTok is just because I could make just random videos that have nothing to do with tech and just make people laugh, and that's fine with me. If I'm a clown to everybody else. So yeah, I'll post it. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I've been watching a lot of TikTok videos and creating a lot of TikTok videos because it's really fun and it's just something different other than, of course, just creating tech videos as well. Now, I love creating tech videos a lot. I love making videos on YouTube. But right now, with this self isolation, quarantine stuff, it's kind of hard to just stay creative doing one thing. So that's why I'm trying to do other stuff as well, just to keep my mind flowing, of course, and just making new stuff, of course, on online. Of course, I'm still trying to make as much as YouTube content as possible for you guys. I have a few videos lined up, of course, a few ideas of what I want to talk about, some cool new app reviews as well, some cool applications that are being released on the iPhone and, of course, on Android, but right now mostly on the iPhone I'm playing around with. So, yeah, stay tuned for those videos because you'll like probably some of the apps I will be doing reviews about in the coming days as well. Uh, so I've been before the quarantine. I never used to play my Xbox. My Xbox used to just be downstairs in the living room or right here in my room now. Um, and yeah, it was just never on. Sometimes I never turned it on. But now with this quarantine stuff, I've been playing a lot of Xbox, like a ton of Call of Duty Warzone. If you guys haven't played Warzone, it is one of my favorite battle royales game ever. Like Fortnite is really fun. I played it. I play it a lot. Not as much as Warzone now. But yeah, Warzone is my favorite right now, and I'm a huge Call of Duty fan. So it was like, it was no surprise that Warzone was gonna become a big hit. Like 50 million people already are playing it and signed up for it. So I think Activision has a big hit with Warzone here. And so yeah, I've been playing a ton of that with some friends online, of course, keeping up with them as well. So yeah, if you guys want to play Warzone, hit me up with your gamer tags. I'll post my gamer tag, my Activision gamer tag, on the screen here or in the description below, so you guys could go and add me, and maybe we could play online, of course. And so yeah, and you could say hi. Of course, been going out on a lot of walks. So there's not a lot of stuff that you can do right now with this self isolation and quarantine stuff. Like pretty much every non-essential store is closed right now. So like malls, everything like that are closed. All the stores I like going to are not accepting any customers right now. You can only do online orders. So yeah, I've been going on a lot of walks around my neighborhood. Also staying safe, of course. Keeping my space between everybody else. Everybody else has been respectful about that. We're all staying 6 feet apart and all that stuff. So yeah, when I go on walks, we're all really far away from each other, and so yeah, and it's nice seeing the neighbors also. Like sometimes we don't see each other because we're working right now. I mean, we're always at work, and so yeah, just seeing neighbors outside and talking to them from a far distance, of course, is really fun. And yeah, just walking around and just seeing how beautiful your neighborhood is. It's really, really great. I'm lucky I live beside a big farm, even though I'm in the capital city. There's a big field that I could go to, the experimental farm, which is fantastic, that place, just for long walks and bike rides. So yeah, I've been going there, of course, walking around there. And yeah, and so yeah, I've been doing a lot of walks. I've been trying to do some exercise in my house here. You know, some push-ups, some squats, everything like that, just to keep in shape. I want to, just gain a little bit of muscle. You know, I'm not a big guy. I'm a skinny guy, so I want to gain some muscles, of course. But yeah, just been doing a lot of that, a lot of exercise, and it's also really good for your health, like for your not just for your like physical health, but also for your mental health. Like your brain needs to go outside and go out and walk, talk to people. So yeah, go on long walks. That helps. But if you don't know what to do on a long walk, just put on your headphones, listen to a podcast, listen to music, and just go along, or don't listen to anything and just imagine, like just start imagining stuff when you're walking around. Your brain will just start going, will just start like thinking of cool new stuff and ideas. And also that helps me when I want to create stuff, like I'm going for long walks and then I have a new idea for a video for a new topic that I want to talk to you guys about. And so yeah, that's what I've been doing lately. Almost every single day, a minimum of 1 hour a day, I go on a walk now. And you'll probably be surprised, but also I've been on Tinder. There's nothing to be surprised there. Like Tinder right now has been getting a lot of downloads right now. A lot of people are using them, and even Tinder has made its passport feature available for free right now for a limited time. So that means it will connect you with people around the world, so you could go and talk to people. So I've been doing that a lot. Like I've been talking to some cool girls, and just talking to them a lot, and just seeing how their lockdown it's in their countries, how they're doing in different parts of Canada as well. And you never know, maybe I'll be able to hook up with one in the future. But yeah, I've been doing that a lot, so no surprise there. Since you're pretty much alone, and talking to friends, it's fun here. Your local friends is fun, but sometimes you just want to meet new people. And so yeah, I've been doing that on Tinder right now. So yeah, if you haven't done that, you could go and join Tinder. It's free, of course. The passport feature is free, so you'll be probably hooking up with people around the world as well. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. What I've been doing on my self isolation, self distancing thing, staying at home as much as possible. And now we got news, of course. It's gonna be an extra month, of course, here in Ontario, Canada. So it's gonna be another month of staying inside, of course. But yeah, I've been doing that. And if you guys, tell me what you guys are doing in the comments below. What you guys are doing, staying at home to stay creative and all that stuff in the comments below. And remember to just go out for a walk. Go talk to somebody, text your friends, your family member, call them. I call people, we talk for an hour, it's just nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.